So while we're boiling these potatoes, I will note to you that on the Christopher Quest Saturn 12-foot inflatable, we have a secret weapon that we will be bringing in the early morning in our attempt to be the first beachcomber. I don't know if we're going to be able to do it. This morning I saw people, I was up at about 4:30 in the morning, there was flashlights on the sound side over here. Crazy. It's going to be a very exciting morning. Stay tuned.
It's alright, it's okay. Chris is traveling today.
Oh yeah, baby.
It's alright, it's okay. Across the country.
Oh baby, look at that. Onions. Lettuce. Mayo. Oh yeah. And there we have the cheeseburger. Yeah. Hear that? $5:30, 5:45. We're headed for the beach. It's dark still. About 20 minutes probably till the sun comes up. Driving down, I just saw headlights. Man, competitive to be first beachcomber. See him over there? So we're headed for the beach. Bring our light out. Going right over here somewhere. Alright, we made it to the beach. Pull this thing over here. Our path is right over there. Alright, I'm on the beach. This is the sound side. Now my secret weapon. That's right. The G-cycle. Ready to go to the beach. Got a new helmet. I have a feeling we may be too late. Boat set up, got the anchor. Tide will be coming in. Here's our path we noted yesterday. So what we have here is the G-cycle. Pretty basic. Holds 265 pounds. Let's turn it on. We're gonna go to power 2. And let's go. Howdy. This is why I like this entrance right here. And there's already people fishing. Ah, son of a gun. And we have the G-cycle at the beach. Look at that. Sun's not up, and we got beachcombers. So these people were here very early. Look at that. And look, there's a lot of people on the beach. Just crazy. Beautiful sunrise coming. And, oh well. What are we gonna do? I had no idea, but I know it's competitive. But I thought there might be 1 or 2, but there's 6 or 7 people down there. All right, time to cook some breakfast. We didn't make it as the first beachcomber, but we tried. We went early. I mean, come on. People are crazy. These are those potatoes I cooked last night, and now I'm going to make some hash browns out of them. Also have some onions I'll put in there with them too. Alright, let's crank this baby up. This thing's been working great. Oh yeah, I think we are in good shape on those hash browns. Next, let's do. And another boat breakfast. Something I've been wanting to do over here at this sandbar. Alright, I got this folding chair. Fits in this little bag. All snaps together, supposedly. It's pretty good. These legs, they actually have these sand attachments so you don't sink in. It's not the greatest chair, but it's alright, you know. This thing doesn't kill me like that. We're not even gonna go on land. Here's what you do in these situations. You stay in the water. Like that. This is the life right here. There's like a 10-to-1 anxiety level and worry level that goes with boating over RVing. I've done them both, but it's times like this when you're boating that kind of make it worthwhile. So, you know, there's a trade-off. I don't know, because it's not, you don't get these kind of opportunities in your RV all the time to be on the water just anywhere and everywhere. The sun is gorgeous. It's about 80 degrees today. It's fantastic. Nice. Now the question is, will it fold up and go back in the bag like it was ever again? And there we have it. It folded up. Here's the premium fishing location. Check it out. Right at the bow. Cast in all directions, except right on the anchor line. Got my wind direction. Or this direction. These things have really good action. Little paddle tails. Anyway, I wanted to show you my new fishing location. I got a couple rod holders up here right now. I've got my wind direction into one just for fun because I had it hanging around. I can leave that rod up there. I got these white towels on the windows because it was hot as hell today. So I was trying this instead of that big tarp. Because to put the tarp on, I have to take the light down. And it's just kind of a hassle. Alright, we're ready for another night. Not much of a sunset tonight. Kind of cloudy. It was hot, and boy, the sun was just burning. And then all of a sudden the cloud cover came and temperature dropped. So, anyway, another day. Another day on the Sound. All right, we are underway. First thing in the morning. We're going to the other side of this bridge. Over there. Beautiful morning. A little foggy here and there. Well, I'm headed for the bridge, and then all of a sudden this fog bank moved in. Can't see a thing. I think we're just going to sit here for a minute and hope it clears up pretty quick. So I might just drop the anchor here. We'll see how deep it is. It's like 5 to 6 feet of water right here. Actually, I'll drop the stern anchor just to hold us in place here until it clears up. Man, it just rolled in on us just as the sun came up, which is my plan to move. We're sitting in You know, I threw the stern anchor out, and we're in like 5 feet of water. Everything's good. I put a pin down just to see if we're moving. You know, if we start dragging the stern anchor or something, I want to know. So anyway, we're just gonna hang out for a little bit, let this fog clear. Well, I can kind of see the bridge again. So she's starting to clear up. The sun's up. It's gonna be a warm day. It's supposed to be very sunny, and you can see the blue sky up here. As soon as we break through that fog, it's pretty. It's kind of cool looking. As soon as she burns this off, we'll make our way to the next anchorage. The fog bank broke, and it looks like it's still foggy on the other side, so I have my running lights on, but I want to get through the bridge anyway. Hopefully by the time I get over there, you have some visibility. It's a gorgeous morning. Yep, the fog's burning off mostly. Everything looks good there, except that she got twisted up there while I was anchoring. A little closer to these docks than I'd like to be, but we're not expecting any wind or anything. If we were, I might make a change, but we're fine. Well, it's such a beautiful day, I think I'll sit outside and eat. This little table right here is just a cutting board that I bought. Put a hinge on it, drilled a couple of holes in it, became the table. That's the best stuff, man. These plastic cutting boards are very useful for a lot of stuff.